Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we will discuss about CSMA CD protocol. What is CSMA CD protocol? CSMA is nothing but carrier sends multiple access with collision detection. Okay, CD is nothing but collision detection. Okay, here what is the meaning of carrier? Carrier is nothing but communication channel. Okay, here sense means listening. Okay, listening the channel, and multiple access means it is nothing but shared medium. It is nothing but shared medium. It means what? Multiple devices connected. Okay, here nothing but multiple devices connected with a single wire, that is called shared multiple access with collision detection. Okay, we will see it is one of the protocol. And here what is the CSMA means? CSMA is a medium access controlled in MAC layer. Okay, CSMA is a media access control protocol. Media access controlled method in MAC layer. Okay, it is the one of the MAC layer. Next, CSMA is used to control. It is used to control flow of the data. It is used to control the flow of the data packet over the network. When the data is transferring over the network, CSMA will be control the flow of the packet, and the CSMA we mainly used in Ethernet. It used in Ethernet, LAN networks and Wi-Fi networks. Ethernet, LANs as well as the Wi-Fi. In data transmission, in end stations wants to access the channel to transmit their own data, where more than one station is transmitting the data at the same time, there will be a chance for collision will be occurs in different stations. For example, here I will explain. Okay, here when the different stations are connected with single shared medium, when more than one stations wants to send the data at the same moment, at the same time, there will be a chance for collision. Okay, see here, see this diagram here. This is the system station A. It is the station A, and it is the station B. Here these two stations and connected with some shared medium. This is the shared medium, nothing but what? Common cable. Shared medium. As well as there is one more device is also connected with shared medium, that is called station C. When this frame, and when it is nothing but checkpoint A, it is the checkpoint for B, is the checkpoint C. Okay, when this frame is sending the data, before sending this station A, it will check the medium is completely free or not. How it will check? It will check the medium is free or not. It will simply check the checkpoint. If the checkpoint is clear, then the system thought that there is no traffic in the shared medium. So the data will be placed in this backbone network or this shared medium. Okay, and at the same time the B system is also wants to send the data. It will also check the shade checkpoint. It will also check the checkpoint. Okay, if it is also placed the data in the frame here. Okay, it is also placed. Now the data is transferring from A station to B station like this. And what about B station to A station? When the data will be occurs near to collision, there is a collision will be occurs. There is a collision will be occurs. At the time there is a checkpoint C will detect a collision will be occurring. Okay, a collision will be occurring. Okay, then the station C will send warning signals. Station C send a collision signals to A and B. The collision signals is also called jamming signals. Okay, here what happened? Here A system and B system. Sorry, A station will be send a signal to the collision signal. Okay, at the same time it is also send a signal to the collision signal. Here A and here the C will be send a jamming signal to A and B. Suppose A station sending frame capacity is 10 frames. For example, A sending capacity is 10 bits, and before collision it is all sorry A is 10 bits. Before collision 3 bits are transmitted. 3 bits are transmitted. Then what happened? At the time the received collision signal, it easily determines the frame belongs to its or not. Okay, the receiver, the A sending 10 bits, B received 3 bits. Before collision it receives the signal. It easily determines the frame belongs to its frame or not. Whenever it identifies the frame belongs to its station only. Whenever this identifies these frames belongs to its only. It simply determines or stop sending the remaining 7 bits of the frame. Remaining 7 bits of the frame after some random of the period, after some random of the time, the A station will be retransmit the data once again to B station, Okay, here in this way collision detection will be done. It won't have any acknowledgement. Okay, here it won't send any acknowledgement. Acknowledgements will be not sent by the receiver. Okay, here actually the frame, okay, actually CSMA will be like this. Here the frame will be transmission mode, and after some time it has to wait. Again the contention time is nothing but waiting period, and again the frame has to transmitted period. Again there is a collision detection, means the time is at the T1 collision will be detected, and again the data has to be in contention time. Again the data frame will be delivered from ideal period to the frames will be go to from sender to receiver when the ideal period, when the physical medium in ideal period. Okay, this is about the CSDMA CD protocol. Carrier sense multiple access with collision detection. Okay, see here, this is about the CSDMA. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section, as well as please like and subscribe our videos and YouTube channel, and also share it with your classmates and friends also. Okay, thank you everyone.